Right. Solution. The solution of equation 1 must be of this type. A sine pt minus theta. Because general x is equal to a sine omega t minus theta. This is the solution of simple oscillator. So displacement. So x is equal to a sine omega t minus theta. So we are taking only here, this is angular frequency. At the place of angular frequency omega, we are taking driving frequency P, driving frequency. So capital A and theta are the constant values, arbitrary constant values. A is the amplitude and theta is the angle. So differentiating equation 2 twice with respect to t. So x is equal to a sine pt minus theta. First differentiating with respect to t. With respect to t. So we can write dx by dt is equal to constant a, d by dt of sine, we can write cos of pt minus theta. D by dt of pt, that is p. So this is dx by dt is equal to p into a or a into small p cos pt minus theta. So differentiating again with respect to time t. So d by dt of dx by dt, this is d square x by dt square. Constant ap as it is. So d by dt of cos, that is minus sine pt minus theta. D by dt of pt, so this is p, this is minus a p into p square sine pt minus theta. You can observe on the screen. So differentiating, so first differentiation you can observe here dx by dt, ap cos pt minus theta. Another equation 4, d square x by dt square, that is minus ap square sine pt minus theta. Now substituting this equation 2, equation 3, 4 in equation 1. What is equation 1? You can observe here. So d square x by dt square, d square x by dt square, this is the equation d square x by dt square plus 2b dx by dt plus omega square x is equal to small f sine pt. So d square x by dt square, just substitute minus a p square sine pt minus theta as it is substitution plus 2b as it is 2b dx by dt. So this is ap cos pt minus theta plus omega square. What is x value? A sine pt minus theta is equal to minus f sine pt. Just substituting in equation 1. Equation 2, 3, 4 values in equation 1. In equation 1, you can observe here same minus ap square sine pt minus theta plus 2b ap cos pt minus theta plus omega square a sine pt minus theta, that is equal to f sine pt, f sine pt. You can see here, so f sine pt, sine of pt minus theta plus theta. So plus minus gets cancelled. But I am taking pt minus theta plus theta. So just to take here bracket. So is it clear? F sine pt minus theta plus theta. Next. So common factor a sine pt minus theta. A sine pt minus theta. A sine pt minus theta, left side. So a sine pt minus theta, common factor here. You can observe. So this is sine pt minus theta also common factor. So remaining minus a square plus omega square. So we can write this plus first term omega square, next term, no, this is p square, minus p square plus omega square. This next term p square. You observe clearly. So a sine pt minus theta, that is common factor, remaining omega square minus p square. Omega square minus p square. Next, cos pt minus theta. Cos pt minus theta, common factor. So only this 2b AP as it is. So that is equal to f sine. So this is sine of a minus b. Now sine of a plus b. This is sine of a plus b. So this is a, this is a, this is b. So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. F. We can write this is f into sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. You observe here sin a, that is pt minus theta, cos b theta, cos a minus sin b, cos of pt minus theta into sin theta. So you can observe here, comparing the coefficients of sin pt minus theta and cos pt minus theta and sin pt minus theta on both sides. So here sin pt minus theta, left side, sin pt minus theta. So we can write omega square minus p square into a is equal to small f. You can observe here. You can observe a into omega square minus p square. So here one more term is also here. So this is sin pt minus theta. Two terms are here. F cos theta. This is equation number 1. Comparing sin pt minus theta. This is sin pt minus theta, left side. So remaining, this is as it is. I am writing here. A into omega square minus p square. Right side. So this is sin pt minus theta, remaining f cos theta. So comparing cos pt minus theta. So this is cos pt minus theta. This is also cos pt minus theta. Comparing. So remaining, this is 2b AP, left side, 2b AP. Right side, f sin theta.